That tune is sick. You know, he wishes his Joan did this. Yeah, bro, you pull up to the meets, you get all the guys. Every single guy is like, yo, where you get that tune, bro? I did it myself. I still think there's something in all the sprockets, because this basically happened after the customer blew their turbo up and replaced it themselves, and they didn't replace the sump or anything of that nature in terms of oiling.
Oh.
So oh, hello? Oh, that is not good. What's my target? What's my target? 0. 0 is my target, and it's at 8 and 5. That's good. It's actually running for a reasonable amount of time right now. Okay, well, fuel pressure isn't there. Oh my god. I mean, one just went to 43. Cylinder 1 just went to 43, while the other twos are trailing behind at like 20s. Alright, let's see. Engine data should have fuel pressure. My eyes! My eyes! How can I see? Nope, not at all. It can't reconnect. Like, yeah, exactly. The gear's no good. Oh, just so you can see. This one doesn't know how to act. Like, ready, watch. It'll just swing. Did you just see 40 something? See, like, what? Excuse me? They're supposed to be within like 1 to 2 max. But like, see, it's still moving and the ECU's not requesting it to move. But it's like, I'm gonna keep moving. Okay, the weirder part though, is that's on the opposite side of the misfire. Huh? How is that possible? Make it make sense, I don't know. I just got check engine light for COP 1.
Nothing else sensor?
Low voltage. But
I'm usually engine light is more like to 30.
Because
you think about ethanol in
But it's like, my question is, why is so much wrong right now?
Because the customer did this himself.
Like, how does this all just randomly just start happening?
It didn't.
Exactly.
just like
There's
that.
no way.
Just like that Z ran. The motor ran in that car. Same thing.
Okay.
I was like, that thing, there's no way that motor could ever pop.
What's important here, viewers, is that just be honest. Looking at you. Looking at you.